Today I'm going to show you how to use the G2 scraper review average from G2. So what you need is the product name separated by dash. If you have a space in the name, you have to put, for example, la gross machine like this. Most of the time it's like that, but sometimes it's not this, and it will scrap this page, the grade here, the note. Okay, so how to use it? You have to first download the recap. So if you don't have the recap yet, go to Google Workspace Marketplace, download, find the recap, and install it into your session in Chrome. Then close this tab when you finish to install it, and go back to your Google Sheet. Then go to extension, LinkedIn, email, phone finder, and here Derrick. Open sidebar, and you will see this sidebar. Then go to G2, get G2 company insight from G2 product slug. Click on it. Select your column with your product. So in my case, I just have one column with one header is company. Okay. And then when I finish to take this, I will just click on get G2 Insight Max 6 Derrick credits. So it will cost max 6 credits because it's 2 credits per line. And then this feature will get some stuff. Most of the time it will get only category and average rating, but sometimes it will return also localized competitors, review counts, and star distribution. Looks like, for example, if you want to say to know how much 5 stars you have, or how much 3 stars you have in one product, you can have this with the star distribution. And localized competitor is also a good way to know other competitor of Notion when it's possible. Then you will see the category and the average rating. Most of the time you have only these two fields. So knowledge, average rating. And as you can see, we did it for Notion, and Derrick is working for other stuff just after. I will pause it. Okay, so now we have the 3 tools, and as you can see, it's as simple as this. So you don't have to do anything else. That's all. Hope you will like this feature and you will find a very useful workflow with this. Bye!